Talk to her and listen to her. Ask her about her family and where she grew up, her religion and politics, and what she likes to do for fun. Don't be critical or rude about her answers, they are hers, not yours. She likes Metallica, you like Metallica, bam. You now have something to talk about. Ask her about the music she listens to, the movies she watches, and the things she does in her spare time. Find some common ground and you will have a great way to get to know each other and bond. If we guaranteed you wouldn't get friend-zoned, we'd be lying. But being friends with a girl and showing her what a wonderful person you are is the best way to attract her. Show her how happy she'd be with you and then see how much happier you are with her. Don't stare at her and then avoid eye contact. Don't hover around her and then never actually manage to say anything. Don't stare at certain parts of her anatomy, however tempting. Don't make weird sexual advances if you don't know her well, and definitely don't use pickup lines. Things like this will freak her out and definitely make you a lot less attractive. Self-confidence and self-esteem are very attractive qualities. Girls will fall head over heels for a guy that is confident in himself and what he can do. Do things that build your confidence in yourself, like volunteering, learning a new skill, or traveling. This is not going to make you feel any better about yourself. The only person you can ever be is you, and that is great. Show the world how awesome you can be and stop trying to be somebody else's brand of awesome. Don't neglect personal hygiene or your wardrobe. Why would a girl like you if you didn't even like yourself enough to take care of your body? Wash your hair and body regularly, use deodorant, wear clothes that don't have holes or stains, and brush your teeth. Don't seem angry, upset, douchey, or otherwise unpleasant to talk to. If you seem like you're mad at her every time you talk to her, why would she want to talk to you, much less date you? Smile, be friendly, and try to make yourself easy to talk to by, talking. Be someone that girls want to date. You don't have to be smart, but at least try to be knowledgeable and curious. Be kind person that works hard to improve the lives of people around you. And do something with your life. That part is really important. Get out there and work to make better life for yourself. Try to help her and always smile at her. A smile can make her day much better. Don't try to act cool and don't always talk to your friends when she's around. Try to set some time alone with her and talk to her in a kind voice. You don't have to get perfect grades, but at least shoot for a S and BS. Get good grades, but don't become arrogant either. Offer to help her with assignments she is having trouble with, or offer to help her study for a test. Don't take it personally if she says she doesn't want your help though. This can not only attract many girls, especially cheerleaders and other girls that also play sports, but also boost your self-confidence. Girls like boys who are in shape and are athletic. Try out for sports and get on a team with people that go to your school.